First, you have to plug in your wireless adapter. Start your VirtualBox. And as you see, there's no wireless communication going on. You can close your VM. Go to a browser. Go to the VirtualBox downloads page. Here you can find the VirtualBox Extension Pack. Download it. Open your VirtualBox Manager, go to File, Preferences, Extensions, and on the plus. Select your VirtualBox Extension Pack, install, agree, yes, okay. Now the extension pack is installed. Go to the settings of your virtual machine, USB, select USB 2.0, go into the plus, and select your Wi-Fi adapter. Press OK, start your VM, and now you see, you can connect to Wi-Fi networks.
Was it real or just pretend? Tell me why do you wanna end?